If you want to increase the Waze volume on your iPhone, it's very simple to do. So there's two things we can do to make sure that you can hear the volume as you're using Waze. So let's go ahead and find our Waze app. Once you're here, you want to go to the menu or your settings. So go ahead and click the three lines at the top left-hand corner. And from here, you just want to go to your settings. And from here, you want to stay at the very top where it says voice and sound. And just make sure that your guidance volume is turned all the way up. This is going to be the volume that you hear or the voice that you hear as you're using Waze. So make sure this is turned up. Another thing we can do is come out of Waze and we're going to go find our settings. And from our settings, you want to go down to sounds and haptics. And you want to make sure that your ringtone is on and the volume is all the way up. This is going to give you the optimal volume. That way you can hear your Waze maps going through and nothing is stopping that volume from coming through. And that's it.